Usapan kanina. Dayo tayo sa Los Baños, Laguna mga kapatid. Via Zoom. Tignan natin ha. Major General Demi Zagala. Wow! Ramon P. Zagala. General Demi Zagala, magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Magandang hapon, sir.
Magandang hapon at sa mga nagsasubaybay. Yung programa, magandang hapon.
General Zagala, gagawin po namin kayong reporter namin ngayong hapon na ito ha. Pasensya na po, talagang kayo ang aming inaatasan. Ano ho ba yung nagaganap dyan mismo right this very moment dyan po sa inyong kampo?
Today is as Commander of the Reserve Command, one of my responsibilities is to look out after those under me, no? So dito sa Akay, dalawang groups na nandito, no? So, 4th RCDG at ang 17th RCDG, no? Mamayang hapon, bibisita ako ng 4th RCDG upang mag-attend ng kanilang anniversary. At kakatapos ko lang dito sa 17th RCDG, dito sa likuran ko, when I met with members of the reserve that fall under Mimaropa.
Okay.
Siyempre, gumagawa tayo ng mga plano how they can further develop their units as they continue to serve their people. Ngayon po, pupunta tayo sa 4th RCDG, ganun din. Bukod sa mag-attend tayo ng kanilang anniversary, titingnan din natin kung how we can further improve reserve units under the 4th RCDG.
Opo. General, nakakatuwa. Loaded po talaga yung mga meetings natin sa mga reserve groups po na ito. Pero ano ba yung mga specific na mission na ginagawa natin or ginagawa din ho nila?
Ongoing.
Ano yung mga ongoing na yan?
Well, first of all, the reserve is it is what it's called, reserve. When you say you're part of the reserve, you are an expansion of regular forces. So, ang trabaho mo is to prepare. Is to prepare for any invasion, war, conflict, or rebellion. You are the base of expansion of regular units. So, the whole mission of the Reserve Command is to ensure that the citizen soldier, based on our Constitution, we will be ready to fight. No? Siyempre, ayaw naman natin yun.
Yes.
War is not an instrument of policy of the armed forces. But at the end of the day, it is part of our civic duty for those who are in the reserve to prepare for that.
General Zagala, nakikita natin na napakarami nitong mga reservists na kasalukuyan ay nandyan. What is happening? May medical mission? I think ang Alagang Kapatid Foundation earlier din nag-serve tayo ng arroz caldo. So what's happening exactly right now, General?
Like I said, it's their anniversary.
Yan.
So anniversary ng 4th RCDG, and it is some sort of their celebration, no? Because the reserve is like I said, reserve, they're really a force in waiting, meaning they have regular jobs, they go to work, but on their time off, on weekends, they give their time and effort to serve the country, no? So, ano ba itong mga to? So, these are when they're called to active duty, such as training, annual active duty, on pwede ring sustainment training, company or platoon, no? These are all military activities, no? And today, since it is the anniversary of the mother unit of all the reservists here in Southern Luzon, they're celebrating their foundation. So, that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, again, hindi na natin i-hold ng matagal pa si General Zagala, but, you know, Mon, this is going to be the first time na siya ay mapapasalamatan ko. I have been putting this off for quite some time. Medyo matagal ko nang kilala si General Zagala. Alam mo ba na si General Zagala ang nag-alaga nung ating team in Mindanao nung sila ay ma-involve sa isang it was a roadside, ano nga sir, yung roadside, parang may sumabog and sinecure sinecure ng team ni General Sagala at the time. So this is the first time that I will say this. Maraming salamat on behalf of News 5 for taking care of our team.
Thank you, sir.
And sinasabi ko na sa kanya noon, sir, pinasusundo na po ni MVP yung aming team. Sabi niya, hindi ko isusoli sa inyo hanggat they're not well.
Ay, ang galing.
So he made sure na okay na yung ating team, yung ating news team, bago niya ipinabalik sa Manila. Again, sir,
Thank you,
saludo
General.
po. Maraming salamat.
Mabuhay po kayo, sir.
Thank you, Menchi. That's all a part of our duty. Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Mabuhay ang mga reservists. Salamat sa kanilang contribution sa pagiging voluntaryo sa pagdepensa natin bansa.
And happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Thank you, sir. Hope to meet you in person one of these days.
Ay, napaka-sweet sa Major General.
Sure. Yes,
Sagala.
Menchi. Of course. I'll invite you over to our headquarters in Tanza, Cavite. If you have
Uy, okay
Malapit.
yan. Malapit lang yan. Sige, sir. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat. Alam mo, kanina umaga lang kasi
Oo
yung
nga, bigla pumayag. Nakakatuwa.
yung team natin sa Alagang Kapatid, nandoon yung ating truck at
Yes.
nag-serve tayo ng ano. Uy,
Mamaya
magpapaalam
siguro,
pala muna
baka pwede
tayo.
baka pwede nating
Kwento.
ikwento yung mga nangyayari dyan. Pero bago tayo magpaalam, Menchi,
Yes.
mabilis
Ano
lang ho.
ba?
Na commercial break
Ay,
lang.
meron
ha?
pa.
Kailangan na talaga magkaroon ng very quick break.
Hanap buhay.
Walang bibitiw. Magbabalik po ang Alagang Kapatid.